Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. I am a mixed media artist from Mauritius. Welcome to Smiling Sunlight. Today I wanted to introduce myself and share with you some of my creations. All of them will be mainly listed on my Instagram account. You will find the link in the description box below the video. So in 2020, I started exploring organic art, which is using elements from nature, creating my own botanical ink, dye, recycling mainly and upcycling handmade paper, and different elements for collaging. So here I'm going to show you. These are the bundles of handmade paper, the brown one with texture, the white one, plain one and this last bundle is white with texture. There will also be embossed handmade paper, different design in them. And these are gift card size, embossed white. And all of these elements, you will see them also in these journals. These paper have been dyed with patterns using botanical dye. This one is a plant that I have that is growing in my garden, and I've extracted the dye to create these patterns. This one is really Christmassy. So they will be listed on my Instagram account as bundles. This one is a plain one. This one has texture. This blue paper is a recycled ink from making handmade paper. Tea and coffee dyed paper. Tea and coffee dyed with texture. So all of these will be listed on my Instagram account, Smiling Sunlight, and you will see these paper in these journals. So there are 6 journals. I've created them so that they can fit in traveler's notebook cover and use as refill or inserts. They are 11 by 21 centimeters, and they have one signature and 22 pages in it. All of them are inspired by à la Française, so it's a theme that I'm working, designing different printables. All of the covers are collages using digitals that I've designed, images from public domain, embossed handmade paper, and French book pages. From these 6, one is already reserved, and it's this one. But the others will be listed on my Instagram account. So I'll share a flip through with you today so you can see what's inside. So the cover is made with the brown handmade paper, textured, collaging with handmade paper embossed, and French book pages. The first page is the pattern with the botanical dye, blue dye paper, tea and coffee. This is a bluish pattern, the brown handmade paper. Each of the journals will contain this tag-shaped pocket that slides on top of pages, and in it you will have different elements for collaging, such as words, watercolor swatches, handmade paper, and different pattern. This is on one side, and on the other side, stamped paper with different design and French book page. So you can use these different elements and have them to collage in your journal. So this is the blue textured paper, the pattern one, tea and coffee dye. This is the blue handmade paper, and in the middle I wanted to have a page that flips open wide, and have a French illustration that you can color with coloring pencil. This is the blue handmade paper, tea and coffee dye. This is the pattern, the blue recycled dye, handmade paper, tea and coffee dye, blue handmade paper, and this is the botanical dye. So here you are. All of them will be listed soon on my Instagram account, and including each of them will include this pocket with different collage elements. I will be sharing how to use these elements, how I use them, and we will just have fun together creating precious little journals and cards that will inspire not only us, but also to tell our story. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.